What's going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another BBD TV video. Tonight I've got a treat, maybe, for you. I don't know if it's a treat or not. You guys remember the band, the Scorpions? What was that real popular song they had, Tony? There's a bunch of them. God.
Winds of Change.
That one. What was the other one? Anyway, Scorpions, very popular band back in the late 70s and 80s and early 90s. And Scorpions are deadly. Them some bitches out there in the desert, they'll pop a stinger in your ass. Call it a life on you. Would you believe we've got Scorpions in Northeast Tennessee? I would never, ever have believed it. Would never have believed it. Still not sure I believe it. But I'm seeing it with my own eyes. My aunt told me about them a couple of weeks ago when I was up here. And these damn things are real. They're not real big. Some bitch. There we go. One more. Yeah, fuck. One more time there. There we go. Here they go. Let's see. There's 4 of them in here. You can only see 2. There's one. That, my friends, is indeed a real live fucking mean-ass scorpion. It won't kill you, my aunt says, but it will hurt like hell and make you sick. Ooh, fast little fucker.
Oh, that one got up closer to the top.
Damn it. I wanted to get a picture of his ass. Shouldn't have fucked with him till after I got the picture.
I don't see how they can just hang out on the damn
Slick
surface
suction
like
cups or something, I guess. I want to get that other one up on there. They won't climb on this stick.
I about wish we had some stats.
Oh, did you see that? Damn, there they are. There's 1, 2.
It looked like he stabbed that 5
He did.
times before he dropped.
He did. There's a snail down there. There's at least 2 of them. Well, there you go, folks. Real live killer scorpions in Northeast Tennessee. And you saw it first right here on BBD to the mother T.